no justice.
No peace.
Let's be honest, it's a moment in history, right?
If we're going to resolve these issues in America, we've got to come together.
We are going to be the generation that calls a halt to police brutality and gun violence once and for all, now and forever. We will fulfill my grandfather's dream.
The purpose is to demand, to compel, to encourage, to assuage, to push for meaningful action to address the challenges of systemic racism.
And I just get tired of being treated differently.
We can share this moment in history together. History somewhat repeating itself.
This movement matters, and we need to be here, and we all need to speak up.
We've been marching for the same stuff for 60 years. I'm tired.
We're demanding real, lasting, structural change.
Let me make it plain. Black lives matter.
You might have killed the dreamer, but you can't kill the dream.